One thing that is a staple in my family is my grandmother's recipe for canned, homegrown, end of the season vegetable soup. On a nice cold day in Appalachia, there's nothing more warming than a nourishing bowl of vegetable soup. We definitely live by a farm to table motto because everything we grow into our garden gets put into something. Like my grandmother, I make vegetable soup using vegetables at the end of the season from my garden. This batch had corn, green beans, peas, carrots, potatoes, butter beans, and okra, to say a few. You can add whatever you like when you make homegrown, end of the season vegetable soup. Really, I try to put everything that I can from the garden into it. Add some salt, pepper, crackers, and you have a delicious, hearty, filling bowl of soup. Of course, it is good just as it is, no crackers or seasoning needed. The perfect Appalachian meal is homemade vegetable soup.